Hello everyone and welcome back to Freshers Now channel. Have you ever considered yourself being a certified ethical hacker? How is the job role going to be and how is their professional development going to be? And alongside with that, to top off the main question for all the candidates out there who are looking forward to step into ethical hacking, the main criteria is how they are being paid. So with that note, in this video, we are going to not just cover up the skills and what does this person actually does. We are also going to look into the major aspects of how they are being paid in India. How are the major cities paying these certified ethical hackers? So with that note, we would be first proceeding with the definition part so that you would understand what actually the certified ethical hacking is. So as we all know, these white hat hackers, they are considered to protect the businesses or the organizations from miscellaneous hackers who are right around the corner. So with that perspective, they would be actually working upon the business's prospects and as well as having a verified content protection over the data or the reports that the businesses are handling upon. So what does the definition actually says here? Ethical hacking is considered or referred to as a process of penetrating into their own computer's data to which they will be having an official permission. So that is why they are considered to be white hat hackers. So this certified ethical hacker would be a positive, beneficial and also having the permission to get into the action, or there are any sort of miscellaneous entry from any other sources. So they would be also to undertake preventive measures, correctiveness and protectiveness over the consequences and other various data tools that they are using. And this would be compromised to the systems that would be taking place within the businesses or the organizations that they are working for. So what does this person actually do and how does this person become a certified ethical hacker? With these set of skills, you can become one. So being a certified ethical hacker requires computer networking skills, which is considered the most important part. Then computer skills, how you're aligning with the networks, and Linux skills, programming skills, basic hardware knowledge, reverse engineering, cryptography skills, database skills and also problem solving skills. All of these are considered to be the basic foundations. So all the skills which are mentioned for a certified ethical hacker are considered to be the basic foundations in order to start off your career as in this profession. So what does this person actually do? Not just knowing the definition part of the role, you should understand what does the work aligning with. So how is the work is being aligned to a certified ethical hacker is having a skilled professional who would be understanding and also knowing how to look for weaknesses and vulnerabilities and in that particular target system, so that he or she would understand how the network is processing through, how is the data being aligned and what are the other various sources of network which he or she is presenting with. With that same knowledge, he or she should also understand what are the tools that they are using in order to identify those vulnerabilities and miscellaneous entries. So this is one point, and then but in that security posture of the targeted system or systems, this ethical hacker would be understanding how to prioritize the task, as well as you would be understanding where are the tools which are being used with the resources which are being implemented in order to identify those vulnerabilities. And you can consider that these are the job roles which are also going to be interlinked with the professional role of a certified ethical hacker. So this ethical hacker would be using various other tools and on knowledge for legal grounds itself. So he or she would be protecting the businesses or the company or the organization that they are working for from various other illegal entries or actions over the data of the businesses. The ethical hacker should also be engaged in hacking. So this hacking is considered as white hat because this is actually basing on given permissions plus what are the various other tools that they are using. All of them would be certified and would be given the permission to use and implement into hacking. They would be detecting the security problems within a system and also suggest various other solutions as a protection strategy. So hacking which is done whitelist this certified ethical hacker is considered to be solving the strategized problem. So that is how the job role is wholly aligned with the profession of a certified ethical hacker. So if you are considering to become one, you can consider how these guys are being paid. So the first job we are going to look into is the pay which is on an average basis in India, which is going to be around 5 lakhs per annum. If you want to know more details about the pay, you can always head over to the Payscale website, as the source that we have collected from is Payscale itself. If you want to look over the graph of the professional or a certified ethical hacker, consider that your life in between 5 to 10 years is going to be look something just like this. This is just an average outlook so that you can understand if you are stepping into this career, eventually there will be a high rise, a peak level of growth in your career. Because ethical hacking or certified ethical hacking is something where most of the organizations need, especially when businesses or the organizations which are working on a very higher end on international markets especially, these ethical hackers come into existence because most of the markets out there or the companies out there require these ethical hackers to protect their data from various other miscellaneous entries. So that is why these ethical hackers are much needed and essential even in the international markets or having a trade with the international markets from India itself. With that note, we would be heading over to how each location or major other cities in India are paying you. To start off with Mumbai paying 4 lakhs per annum, it is just going to be a very good start off, and Hyderabad landing in 5 lakhs per annum basing on the average pay, Bangalore 4 lakhs 54,000 per annum, and then Pune 3 lakhs 97,000 per annum. And next it is in Noida, which is 15 lakhs per annum. As Noida is considered to be a landmark or a place where international markets have various and ample amount of opportunities, Noida is giving a very high rise pay of 15 lakhs per annum. And if you have further opinions on this, you can consider yourself putting down in the comment section. And if you have any other suggestions regarding this, always welcome to place them in the comments. Please do share it with your friends so that they might also find this useful whitelist before starting their career as a certified ethical hacker. You can also start off at the foundational level, grabbing on some projects or working on internship opportunities basing on ethical hacking. Also, consider yourself subscribing so that you will not be missing any of the informative videos like these. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.